Hey, Mr. D-O-double-R, my nigga Blanco, Gucci Mane.
What's happening? I ain't bullshitting, Gucci about his business. 12 trying to catch me, they got me jumping fences. New chain coming and it's 18 inches. 15.5, boy, I'm getting it with the quickness. I'm no lawyer, I'm no doctor. Gucci man, a monster, I smoke it like a roster. Pounds, I got them, pills, I pop them. Iced out Yorkie make your girlfriend jockey. Somebody stop him, somebody get him. He crazy as a fool and he got them goons with him. Somebody stop him, somebody get him. He crazy as a fool and he got them goons with him.
Hey daddy, can I ride with you? I got a friend, can she ride too? Can I tell you what I might do?
Hey man, do you like my ride? Tell your friends she can hop inside. Do you wanna party all night? Yeah, shorty like to party, she like to get naughty. I barely see her face cause she like to do it doggy. Everything you get her, I bring it to the lab. She get up on the mic and she like to say yeah. She can come too. I got her head spinning like the rims on my coupe. Yeah, the Benz no roof. I like to drop the top. I told her about Gucci and she dropped it like it's hard. Money on the block, make all the bitches jack. Yeah, all these little shorties like to call me Poppy, like to call me Daddy, cause I'm the one and only. Blanco was the best and the rest is all phone.
Hey daddy, can I ride with you? I got a friend, can she ride too? Can I tell you what I might do?
Hey man, do you like my ride? Tell your friends she can hop inside. Do you wanna party all night? Yeah,
Mr. D-O-double-R.
yeah.
I'm in the club looking good, bitches like me. I ain't got a dress, I can wear a white tee. Hoes bopping cause they see me with my chain on. I'm a G, I ain't gotta run game. Cause bitch, I'm getting paid. I pop collars, signed independent, getting independent dollars, making independent moves. Yes, I do. Lil' mama got friends, tell them bring them too. We can all make love, all make love. Looking at my body as I'm walking through the club. I think I see a cutie looking like she up the park. Caramel cookie bar, say she want a superstar. Give her something better, here go Mr. D-O-double-R. With a long ass dick, I can hit her from afar. Better watch out, I'll fuck your chick. If the bitch got friends, I'll fuck her clique. I make them say yeah.